You the interview at Electric Nights.
I know a lot of everything.
I hate to say a lot. Just that one thing.
No, in my talk or 101, my class session.
Oh, true.
That's why I wanted that word to tell people how to say
True, true.
teach people how to do their name.
Okay.
So, I mean, say the name. Yeah.
Well, I know that's why I brought you in here is because I wanted to take an opportunity to provide you the platform that I built. You baby, so I wanted to make sure that you got to experience it too.
Yes,
And also because I know how much knowledge and experience, wisdom, opinion, all the good stuff that makes a human experience, in my opinion, as far as like what adds to a space, what adds to stuff. So the reason we're doing this is because we have Vari Boutique. You know what I mean? It's a wellness space, you feel me? And I would actually want to start off after you introduce yourself. I would actually like to get your opinion of the space. I haven't really asked anybody, and Miss Yasmin be always asking like, "Well, what do they think of the space?"
Yeah.
So when she watches this, I'm sure she'll enjoy that.
Yes. So you want me to tell you what I think about this space?
No, but you can tell me what you think about the space after you introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Toni.
Yeah,
I'm Toni. Yeah. I'm Toni Lavell, multi-dimensional geek.
Okay. So yeah, what do you think about the space?
I think the space is inviting. It feels like an invitation. Feels like an invitation to self care, self love, self maintenance. It gives this. It has a certain warmth, elder vibe, like ancestral energy to it, especially with like the earth tones and the placement of everything. There's greenery, there's life, there's smell, there's color. And I pay attention to all of the elements of things that make it one thing cohesively, and it has all those things for me. It's a beautiful space.
Yeah, she definitely be taking her time with all of that. Like even when we're coming in and she gives me the standard of the procedure that just opening the store. I have to learn how to own that practice and be present in it because to me it just be like flicking on light switches and sweeping the floor. It just seems like tasks to me.
Yeah.
But I can understand like I understand. Period. I understand. That's why I do the best that I can to uphold the standard because I know that it delivers everything that you mentioned here. I know you'll definitely appreciate that. Because the Lord knows if she would have asked me what you said, I don't know. She liked it.
She thought it was cool.
Yeah, like, I wouldn't have said that.
Yeah.